Hello and welcome to day 2 of 7 days of spring with Dear Julie Julie and Cara Brandon. That's me. So here are the 2 pages we'll be working with today for day 2. A large tag and some other bits, and then Julie's vintage pieces here. All right, so I cut out my bits and pieces, and I have a few other things sitting over here ready to go. I've already assembled, oh no, I put this in here when it was drying. Oh, whew. I've already assembled my tag. I put this cardstock behind it, and then it was coffee dyed on that side. I will probably stitch around the outside. And then we have some other things that I'm going to work with. Okay, I'm going to take a moment and be a mom for a minute. So my daughter, can you see, she's making these gnomes. And she just painted this one and put the gloss. Isn't he cute? Oh my goodness. He's so cute. She's thinking about making a bunch and selling them to start in my Etsy shop. She's not sure. She's like, Mom, I don't know if it's good enough. I think they're just super cute. I think someone would buy it for $5 to $7, don't you? It's so adorable. And she has a whole story that's going to go with them. And, oh, so cute, so cute. All right, back to crafting. But my little gnome friend, he's staring at me over there. That's why I thought of it. Okay, so I have my tag, but what I was thinking, if I can get the right pieces, I'm going to, I think it's, Marcy that does this a lot. She'll make she'll cut things out and then layer it, and so it's like a hidden pocket thing. And so I was gonna do that too. Her link will be listed below along with the other, we call them elves, that are also doing the 7-day collab with us. So check her out. She does it a lot. So I don't know if I'll do it justice, but I got this kind of idea from her. So luckily I printed this out twice, so I don't know if I'm going to need 1 or 2. We'll see. But I was thinking that I could cut this lady out, and then she can kind of be the tuck spot for the smaller bits. Yeah, so I think I'll do that off camera, and I'll be right back. So once I turned off the camera, I realized it's not on a different one. That wouldn't make sense. You cut it out and then put it on top, and then, so yeah, it looks like this. So it's layered on top. So I trimmed out that much, and then this will become my tuck spot, which might need to be trimmed down if I want to fit it in here. But before we trim it down, let's glue on this piece that will become the tuck spot. Probably want the top. There we go. And see if I can line this up. There we go. All right, and then I'm going to trim off some of the outside. Probably right where I glued, so I might have to re-glue. And plus I can kind of straighten up my lines. Oh man, this still looks crooked. It's not liking my wet glue. I'm kind of thinking I'm going to cut off that bottom. Time for the big scissors. There we go. Yep, that's good. I like it like that. Okay, so now this ink can be a little tuck spot for these guys. Cute. I like it. Do I want the butterfly? It's too big. Something small right there would be really cute. Not sure what. Okay, we'll come back to this. I think I need to trim this up. Okay, I'm being called. I'll be back. So I looked through my little Tim Holtz bucket and I found itty bitty pieces. I think one of these or a couple of these would be cute. Maybe in the corner. And maybe with the smaller butterfly. If you are doing the 7 days of spring with us, and you made a video or you're posting pictures on Instagram, use the hashtag 7 days of spring 2021, and then we'll be able to find you and your makes. If you're interested in purchasing the kits for the collab, the links for those will be in the description as well. All right, that's cute. And then we can put that in there, but I'm gonna let that dry. And then the other thing I wanted to do is I'm gonna cut her little portrait out of this one. So I am going to make a journal after I kind of, get all my bits made, all my pieces for the 7 days, and then I'm gonna make a spring journal. And I started my cover yesterday. It's a fabric cover, and this is fabric. I love this fabric. And then I made a window, a shabby soul. She had a tutorial on how to make windows, so I put a window in there, and there's the back, and there's the back. So it'll probably just be a single signature journal. All right, I think we'll put her right there in the middle. And then I'll have a flip through. I might have a make with me also, but I'll have a flip through for sure once the journal is made. Yep, I like her. And let's see. So I'm gonna do some sewing around this. I might back this and do sewing around that one as well. And I think these guys can make this a pocket. Yeah, let's cut that one in half. And then this will become a pocket too. There we go. We'll just trim off some of this. I ran out of my white cardstock, so I printed it on my better printer paper, but they're still a little flimsy, so I'm going to back all these. So let me go do that, and then I'll show you the end result. Be right back again. here are my stitched pockets. I like how that one turned out. And like I put green, fun, painty green paper. And then this one. And then because I printed them out twice, I used the other half of that one on the other tag. All right, so when I was sewing, oh, and I also added cardstock to these, so these are nice and sturdy too. As I was sewing, I thought, well, what if I make this a hidden paper clip on the back, so then I could just move it wherever I really want it in my journal, and then you could also use the back for journaling. So maybe there's pictures or something you put in here later, and you want them, you know, to be movable. So I cut out 2 pieces. This is cardstock and then coffee dyed paper. And then I'm just gonna glue this guy. Make sure it's, yep, barely long enough. We'll just glue him in. Smush, smush. We can put him over. Oh, you know what though? I don't think I want him to cover. So what, can I attach it like this? Yep, I think that's what I'll do. A smaller paper clip might have been a better choice, but we'll just go with this. Yeah, I don't want him to cover up the front. And then if I have something, I can paper clip it to the page, or yeah, perfect. Okay. And then maybe we could decorate it. Butterfly might be fun. Let's see. This fabric ribbon would be fun too. Let me get my Fabri-Tac. It's a good glue day, ladies. My glue is cooperating. Now that I jinxed it, look out. There we go. Okay, so now this guy, where's my journal? This isn't the best page to do this on because I already have something, but, oh here, let's do it on this side. So now, ta-da! Okay, and I think we could add some lace or something at the top. I think I have fabric over here. I bought this pack of Flea Market Fresh by Moda. Oh my gosh. I love it. Look at this. So cool. Look at all those fun patterns. Oh my goodness. And there's stamps in all different colors. And like, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love it. Is this gonna, this matches down here. I don't know if it goes with the pink, but we'll go with it. I can make a little tab at the top of our tag. Is that gonna look funny over there? I should do sewing. Maybe I'll do that after. Bring this part down a little more. Why am I being so fussy about the top? I don't know. I don't know. It's a good question. little bit of lace. Always makes it better. I'm almost out of this. This has been my favorite recently. And it's almost gone. Okay. There. There we go. Okay. Cute. All right, so then we have our bits right here that we can stick in for now. And that guy's ready to go. And then these guys are ready to go. I guess we could do, oh yeah, I like that. So those are pockets. And this can go in here. And then we have our little pieces tucked in this one. I don't know if I really want to cover that up, but there we go. All right, so day 2, we did it. Looks good. All right. Oh, if you're joining along, make sure to remember the hashtag and or join Julie's group and my group. And then we can see your pictures and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I post again for day 3. All right, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.